Hi everyone. We are starting where we started in this announcement, and I just want to review the fact, and as you're examining your student learning outcomes, that we really have developed this very strong base for you to build your practice. So these are just some reminders, the fact that we are at the foundation and you will continue to build these skills. The key element is actually continuing to apply and practice the skills that you've gained in this course, and that's crucial for you to show that progression throughout the master's program. So part of what you're doing right now in uploading your mini research 1 or 2 in your portfolio is laying that baseline. So from here, you will be adding to that portfolio in your 500 level courses. And so we're going to see a progression of your writing skills throughout the program, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So please know that it will be really interesting for you to look back on your portfolio and really reflect on how far you have come when you get through your 500 level courses. So keep that learning attitude and keep asking questions and keep that critical analysis skill, because that can not only apply in research but also in examining your leadership, your education, your population health practice, your general practice. So what we're doing is we're really refining the critical thinking skills and those higher level contemplation skills that we need to have at the master's level. So again, this is something that is foundational for you to continue to build as you go through the courses. So with that being said, we've covered quite a bit of information, and thank you for all your diligent work throughout this course, and it's really fun to join you on your journey, and I look forward to sharing courses with you in the future as well. So there's just a couple of housekeeping things I need to just request of you. If you have not already done so, please be sure to complete your course evaluation, and you'll find that course evaluation option on your left hand side of your Blackboard screen. And just click here and you'll have to enter your login credentials again, your McKendree login credentials, and you'll complete an evaluation of this course. So please know that I use the responses to elevate the level of the course each and every time, because just like in your work, I do continuous improvement as well. So your feedback is very beneficial to me as I'm looking at improving the course. And also let me know what worked really well for you. And again, that allows me the insight to know what is really beneficial to the students, and that really helps me as well. There's also the Student Affairs questionnaire that's included within your module number 8. So please be sure to complete that as well, and make sure that you have all of your requirements completed for this course. I do need to remind you that this is a short week. So the course will end tomorrow, which is May the 6th, at 5 p.m. So please take note of that all of your requirements need to be completed by May the 6th at 5 p.m. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. But like I said, I'm really looking forward to joining you again on your MSN journey. So take care, and let me know if I can help you in any way as you move forward.